In front of me is Cubot P80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Sound and Vibration. Then scroll down again, and this time click on Vibration and Haptics in Sound and Vibration section of your settings. Now by tapping on this switcher at the top, you can disable or enable haptics and vibrations completely. If you decided to switch them on, you can always adjust all of those options by clicking on the switchers next to them. So for example, if you wish to enable or disable ring vibration, click on this switcher. If you want to enable or disable touch vibration, click on the switcher next to touch feedback. When you finished, go back, scroll all the way down and use those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to manage those two as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!